at the end of the day, isn't that what a good technology is supposed to be? It's supposed to be about taking those unattractive, mundane, repetitive parts of life and then somehow making them somewhat better, right?
Yeah.
They don't go away completely, but, I'd sure rather, use a washing machine to wash my clothes as opposed to washing them by hand, right? Doesn't mean the chore went away. It just is now slightly less sucky.
And it's more efficient, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It uses less water than by hand.
Yes.
It's faster and it's more thorough.